Hey,
Hey,
so where are we going?
we're gonna go to Dunkin'.
Oh, really? What you getting?
Charlie.
Oh.
It's funny. Okay, no, I'm not.
Okay.
We're gonna get a donut. Because
Okay, me too.
no one
Let's
wants to do
go.
that.
Let's go. Oh, hey, we should probably put our seatbelts on.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay.
Newton's first law, an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion, unless the object is acted on by an outside force. Your seatbelt will push you back if you get into a crash, saving your life. Without your seatbelt, inertia would instantly launch you forward, having a higher chance to die. That's why you should always wear your seatbelt.